What is up, guys? We are talking this paint sprayer gun here, and this is pretty awesome. This is a generic brand here. In the box, you get the actual spray gun here. Now, this is a cordless spray gun, which is really nice, but you don't actually get the DeWalt battery here. You have to make sure you have your own DeWalt battery, but this is what you get in the box. Now, what's really nice about this is it does use the DeWalt batteries, so if you have the DeWalt battery system, it just goes right on just like this, and it works. Let me go ahead. You can hear that it turns on, so it works with the DeWalt cordless batteries. Now, in the box, you will get this little container here, and it holds up to about 14 milliliters worth of paint. So let me go ahead and show you. Open this up. Whenever you're using this, you can tell there's a direction here where it's pointing forward. You can actually adjust it to point backwards as well. And you want to adjust this based off of how you will be spraying. So if you are spraying downwards and the bucket is this way, obviously you want this to point forwards down this direction so that it drains all the paint in the actual canister. If you're spraying upwards, you want to do the reverse and point it backwards this way, because this tank will be this way, so you'll be draining it this way. So make sure you do that. Today I'm actually going to be pointing downwards, so when I'm pointing downwards, I obviously want this to face forward this direction, so I'll keep it just like that. You've got the nozzle right over here. Now I have this spray pattern to be in this direction. You can see it's angled this way, but you can adjust this very easily by twisting this, loosening it up a little, and you can see you can move this around. You can turn it horizontal, vertical, even sideways, kind of at an angle if you want. But I'm going to keep my spray pattern right now straight vertical here, and then you just tighten it by tightening that yellow kind of knob right here. Over here, this is your adjustable spray, meaning how much paint will be coming out. So it's at the middle right now, but I'll adjust it when I'm using it, and I'll show you how it works. So let me go ahead and fill this up here with some paint. Okay guys, so I have my canister full of paint here, so I'll go ahead and place this on top and just twist this on here and make sure it's on there nice and tight here. So now let's go ahead and spray this. First I'm going to go ahead and show you the angle here. Now first, this is about halfway. The nozzle right here is about halfway. Now you'll notice that when you first run it, you gotta let it run a little bit. You see how it's spraying just like that? And this angle, you can see that it is horizontal right here. So I'm going to flip it the other direction. So I'm going to twist this knob here to show the other direction here. So now I've changed the nozzle spray here. So now it should be up. So let me show you that. See, now it's upwards in that direction. Now I want to increase how big it is. So I'm going to turn it up here to the right. That plus might right there all the way. So now right next to that, go ahead and show you. See that? More gets dispensed when it shoots out. So let's go ahead and use this. I've got those furring sticks right down here, so I'm going to go ahead and start. So now I'll go ahead and finish this off, come back and show you how it looks after it's dried. Alright guys, all done here. Now I did about 14 of these furring sticks here. I still have about 1 bar left on this 5 amp battery, so this goes a long way. Now I did get a little messy here. I had to put a little bit more paint in here, and I kind of missed, as you can see, but it didn't affect how it came out. If you take a look right here, you can see that it's very smooth here all around here, so it works really well. Overall, if you're looking for a really simple spray paint gun, one that uses a cordless DeWalt battery that's not included, you have to make sure you have your own, this is a very good choice. It's very inexpensive. Doesn't matter if you use it one time or a couple of times, you just really have to wash this out. I'm gonna go wash this out right now, but it works pretty well for the price. Definitely a little cordless paint sprayer here. I recommend.
We hope this review helps.